Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways how to block a number. You can do it with the usage of your contact list, so block the number you've got currently saved, and do it kind of manually with the usage of the settings. So let's start with your contacts. Just go to your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and block numbers. Confirm it. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, you've got also this information, which simply means that from now on your device will block all incoming calls and messages from this number. You can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So in order to block the number you do not have saved on your contacts, you will have to enter the settings, and it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous way also worked. And here you can simply tap on add a number and enter it manually, or paste it here if you've got it copied, and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear right here. What is more, you can block calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher here, and you can of course inactivate this option just by tapping on the switcher again, and you can unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.